Hi, my name is Kristen. Today I'm going to show you how to properly execute a split. Stay tuned. Okay guys, when executing a split, there are 3 things you want to always remember. 1, always keep your hips square. 2, slowly slide down and engage your core. 3, turn out from your hips. So I'm going to show you how to execute a split on your right leg. So I'm going to turn my body to the side, keeping my hips square. I'm going to take my hands and put them straight down on the floor so that I slide down slowly. I'm going to put my hands down as to keep my body from sliding down too fast and hurting my muscles. And I'm going to slide my legs apart slowly all the way down to the ground. I'm going to point both of my feet. I'm going to keep my legs straight. I have my core engaged and I have my hands down. Once I am done, I'm going to slide over, bring my legs around, and stand up. Now that I've shown you how to do a split on the right side, I'm going to have my assistant Yasha show you how to do one on the left side. Yasha, can you come help me, please? Yasha is going to turn her body to this corner. She's going to keep her hips square, and she is going to put her hands down on the ground. And she is going to slowly slide her legs apart until she is all the way down in her split. As you can see, both of Yasha's legs are straight, her feet are pointed, her core is engaged, and her hands are down supporting her body. Once she is done, she is going to sit on the left leg, slide her right leg around, and stand up. And that is how you properly execute a split on the left side. And that's it. Don't forget to always keep your hips square, go all the way down slowly, and turn out from your hips. But most of all, we want to hear from you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.